In our list, first stock is Cabra Extrusion. In this stock, our entry will be at 555.40 and our target is 644.35. So you can put the stop loss on the recent swing low. So in our list, next stock is please next stock Religer Inter. So in this stock, our entry will be at 333.30 and our target is 389.30. You can put the stop loss as the recent swing low. Here our structure is breaking first and then our pattern will break. So you can enter on both if you need. Then the last stock is MB Industrials Limited. Industries Limited. Our entry will be about 158 and our stop loss is recent swing low 142 and our target is 174.